I'm Tom Baire, and I am the video production manager at Splash Omnimedia, and the best kind of sandwich is a free sandwich. I feel like over the years I've developed such a big passion for video, and in doing so I've realized that I have a little bit of a knack for kind of seeing the video before we even shoot it, and I think it really lends to the final story. Really, the first one has to be my marriage with my wife. We got married after moving down to South Carolina, and we've really created our own life here together. And then a few years ago, we adopted our daughter, and that was a huge step in our lives together and creating a family. And then just being able to have the leadership and freedom to grow into the position I have at Splash has probably been three of the key moments that have shaped me. I feel like the world really needs more focused leaders. I mean, even leading from the middle. I mean, people that are, take accountability for themselves and take accountability for their own lives and really help others be better people. Something that people may or may not know about me is the fact that I'm probably the best giraffe runner. I think one of the things I love most about Splash has to be the culture that we've developed. Here it's just a fun place to work, and Matt, Mike, Manning, they give us so many opportunities to be ourselves and grow into such important people and roles here. And it's just fun. It's just a lot of fun.